Lexus has a long history of creating industry-leading advancements and innovations in active safety technology. The latest generation of Lexus Safety System Plus features cutting-edge technologies designed to support safer and more secure driving in a broad range of situations. The Lexus Pre-Collision System is designed to assess the potential for a collision with another vehicle, bicyclist, or pedestrian, then take actions if it determines that a collision is likely. As part of the latest generation of Lexus Safety System Plus, the Pre-Collision System bases its assessment on information received from the forward-looking millimeter wave radar and a monocular camera system that can help detect a vehicle, bicyclist, or pedestrian in front of the Lexus. If the pre-collision system determines that a collision is likely based on the position, speed, and direction of the Lexus, and a vehicle, pedestrian, or bicyclist ahead, the Lexus is designed to warn the driver with an audible alert and a message on the multi-information display. If the driver applies the brakes, then pre-collision brake assist may add braking force in relation to how strongly the brake pedal is depressed. If the system determines that a collision is possible, it is designed to apply the brakes and illuminate its stop lamps to notify a following vehicle that the Lexus will decelerate. At the same time, the available adaptive variable suspension system controls the damping force of the shock absorbers to help maintain an appropriate vehicle posture. When the Lexus is traveling between approximately 40 and 80 kilometers per hour, and the driver begins an evasive steering maneuver, if the possibility of a frontal collision is high and there is sufficient space for the Lexus to be steered while remaining within its lane, the system can apply emergency steering assist to help the driver's steering movements, enhance vehicle stability, and help keep the Lexus within the lane. When the Lexus is turning left at an intersection, the pre-collision system is designed to assist the driver by providing a warning and applying the brakes if the turn will take the Lexus across the path of an oncoming vehicle, or if the system detects a pedestrian in its path crossing from the opposite direction. Lexus Active Safety Technology is designed and engineered to provide exceptional support to safety and security, offering comfort and peace of mind.